Oh, better check my speed. 1.7 miles per hour. I think I'm good.
I'm super excited.
I'm giving up
How did I miss a campsite?
with no light. Probably not gonna happen. And
Navigation still seems to be a struggle. Where the heck was North Carlson? Shoot, I'm gonna go for it.
I tell you, I don't know what it is, but your brother sure likes just sitting on a bridge above East Branch Amity Creek, drinking some cappuccino out of a coffee can, and listen to heavy construction in the background. Why do I like this so much? Day 20. Tell you, my legs felt better than they felt in a week. I'm pretty sure I am probably an hour away from goodbye pseudo wilderness as I can hear the heavy construction in the background, and hello Duluth. It's almost 50 miles to the next wilderness campsite, but I have oh, I'm doing dishes, by the way. In case you weren't sure what I was doing. I got accommodations at the Motel 6, which is kind of right on the trail, and it's about 15 miles to get there, but I probably got 5 in already. Feels like it. It is 9:09 and I left at 7:21, and I've been sitting here for at least 20 minutes. So time for the once again, I saw this on YouTube. I don't know if this is sterilizing or flash cleaning or whatever. But even though it's hot, you know, I can put my hot mitt in, which goes all the way around. Look at that, perfect, so I can drink it hot. Didn't need the hot mitt today. It's kind of chilly out. I could take this off and let that cool. This, of course, butane or whatever it is, propane, butane. It's cold, so it can go in there. 10-point windscreen, maybe used twice. Pretty important when I needed it. Otherwise, it doesn't weigh much. And lo and behold, titanium cools off pretty fast. This is already cool. And then this fits in a few different ways, but looks like today it fits in like that. And that fits in flush. This goes on top. Sometimes better than others. I had my backpack up on this fence, and I went down to get water, and it fell off and crushed my can, so it wasn't a perfect circle anymore. Which, as long as I can get that canister in, I'm good. So it bent back pretty easily. But wrap that up, put the food bag. Oh boy. Oh. Muscles hurt worse when they're cold, I tell you. Ugh. Alright. Sleeping pad goes on the non-water bottle side to help balance out the weight. This goes in where it can. Keep the weight at the bottom, just like to tell you. And we've been getting sprinkles, mist. I don't think I need the raincoat anymore, so. This one's pretty nice. It's the Frog Tog's tough one. And so I use it as the bottom of my pack. Just try to protect the pack, because the pack, I tell you, looks like your brother's what it looks like. It is patched and falling apart and suffering. But it goes and it works. And I do like the size. I just don't like that it weighs like 5 pounds. Alright, so we are ready to hit the trail. You ready to see Duluth? Let's do it.
So here's my problem now. I'm basically in town. So these streams are just storm sewers. All the people with the nice lawns have those chemicals, all the oil off the roads. So I'm pretty sure now that I've switched to a filter that I don't want to drink any of this stuff. And the Grail's back in Gooseberry Falls. That's not handy. So I need to buy some water or find a fountain. Why isn't there a fountain here? There probably was. I should have looked. Alright, lesson learned. Look for fountains when you get to parks. I'm like a turtle trying to pass these roads sometimes. Foggy, you can't tell somebody's coming, you can just hear it. This is probably the last good wilderness fall color view. But not for me. Fog City. I might be coming out of the woods. Oh no, just crossing a road, trying to play turtle again. What do you think? Well, they crossed. Must be my turn. Oh, this is saying take a right. I'm just gonna check my map and my guidebook both. I believe this is my trail. The second time I've gone through construction. Gotta be it though. I doubt it's that shopping mall. Nah, this is no trail. So the digital GPS map I was using wasn't updating. And I thought I had logged on to data, but it didn't update. Kept saying I was almost there, almost there. Check Google Maps. Google Maps said I missed it. It is a road walk, but gotta be between these houses or something. It's crazy. I don't know. Not the first time I did this. I'm using Guidebook, Moot app, Google Maps, and really trying to depend on these little signs that all the volunteers put up, which I'm grateful of. And this has got to be the hardest part to navigate. This is the Duluth Traverse Trail. And it's right in the middle of Duluth, I think, and it is a beautiful trail. High above the creek. You get all the colors. Different views you could take. There's a trail on the other side of the creek, so you can make a loop out of it. This is really cool. Well, time to make up some speed. Alright, second fall all the way to the ground. Almost recovered out of that one. Oh. Oh. I was coming down at a pretty good clip, and I slowed down to look back to see if I missed a sign. And oh, I missed a tree root. Caught it with my foot. Oh, missed tree roots right there. You know what I mean? Boom. Snagged me good. But hey, I'm on the right trail. Is the beauty that is Duluth. Right, 11:57 in town. No place to get water but by it, unless I find a drinking fountain. So let's see how long I have to go. Well, pack slider. Wait a second. How does William A. Irving fit through this? No. So it said on my guide, cross a railroad, which I just did, and take the foot bridge under 380 or over 380, I don't know, or 35. I'm sorry, Highway 35. None of that helps me. I don't know. I'm gonna check my map one more time. I don't think I go right here. I think I go left. All right, where am I? Yeah, whatever that is. Gino's Walk. I think I want Gino's Walk. Let's see where I'm at. I'm right there, so... Oh yeah. Less than half a mile from Gino's Walk. I could do this. I think. Just crossed railroad tracks again. Well, that's weird. Maybe I didn't have to cross them. Got it.
There's like 3 paths up here. One left, one right, and another one kind of right up a steep hill. So a lot of times the worst path is usually mine. But up that hill, I don't know how former this encampment is. This kind of looks like my path over here. Or I'm walking into someone's bedroom. Fantastic. Jeez. I mean, some of this stuff doesn't look a year old.
Got to Motel 6, but I got lost on the trail trying to get here. So I don't know how much of it I missed or walked parallel, which I'm fine with. I just don't want to miss the features. I got a chance to charge up my stuff, figure out what I missed, see if they'll hold my backpack tomorrow for me while I slack pack. 31%, not bad. Oh, well, they do have laundry here, so I'm going to do some laundry.